Hey everyone! In today's video, we're going to learn what survey programming is. You've probably answered hundreds of online surveys, but have you ever wondered who creates them and how they actually work? Let's find out what survey programming is all about. In today's world, data is everything, and surveys are the key to collecting it. But building a good survey isn't just about asking questions. It's about programming them smartly to get accurate and reliable results that truly drive decisions. Now we're going to understand the key elements of survey programming. The first one is questionnaire structure. It's all about how questions are arranged and organized to make the survey flow smoothly and keep respondents engaged. Next, we have skip logic and branching. This feature decides which questions appear based on previous answers, creating a more personalized experience for each participant. Then comes validation rules. These ensure that every response entered is accurate and complete, maintaining the overall data quality. The fourth one is response management. This focuses on how responses are collected, stored, and handled securely, following proper data protection standards. And finally, user experience, making sure that surveys are intuitive, mobile-friendly, and easy to complete across all devices. Now let's talk about why survey programming actually matters. The first one is data accuracy. It makes sure all the information collected is clean, error-free, and validated through built-in checks. Next, we have complex questionnaire handling. This helps manage advanced surveys that use conditional logic and dynamic question flows, making even the toughest surveys run smoothly. The third one is guided respondent experience. By giving clear navigation and easy-to-follow instructions, it helps respondents stay engaged and complete the survey without confusion. And finally, scalable solutions. Survey programming allows you to build flexible frameworks that can easily adapt to different research needs and sample sizes. Now, let's look at where survey programming is actually used across different industries. The first one is healthcare. Surveys help collect patient feedback, improve hospital services, and monitor overall healthcare quality. Then comes market research. This is one of the biggest areas where surveys help brands understand customer needs, opinions, and product performance. Next, we have human resources, where surveys are used to measure employee satisfaction, engagement, and workplace culture. Academic research also relies heavily on surveys for gathering data, analyzing trends, and validating research studies. Government organizations use survey programming to conduct public opinion polls, census studies, and social research. And finally, digital platforms. Many online platforms use surveys to enhance user experience, collect feedback, and improve their services.